All right, we're just discussing here. What's the old saying? Spring showers bring May flowers, April showers bring spring flowers. I don't know, but it's good to get some April showers around here today. 53 degrees, our high temperature, and that's actually the temperature it is right now. Out of Pulliam Airport, not seeing much, only 0.02 of an inch precipitation. Since we've been in this little bit of a wet pattern here since last Friday, we're at like 0.63 of an inch of precipitation out at Pulliam Airport, so we're now up to 4.78 inches, still 2 inches below here on the calendar year. Hard to make it up. You know, here in the last 4 days, we received more precipitation than we had in the previous 75 days. So big, long, dry spell, and definitely much needed moisture. Here's a look at it on the satellite right now. Area of low pressure slowly crossing the state today, now starting to exit. All the storm activity today from north to south, and as we make our way here through the evening, this thing will scoot out of the state, but we still have a little bit of shower activity if we switch it over to the radar right now. Here we are in Flagstaff, some showers still up off to our north, also some pretty decent thunderstorms just right around Meteor Crater, just south of I-40 to the west of Winslow. This all kind of scooting down into the Highway 87 corridor, and this shower activity just north of Flagstaff is going to make it in here, and maybe just some light sprinkles. It's actually kind of dissipating here, and will continue to do so as the sun sets. A little bit of moisture around Prescott today. In general, around the area, right around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch precipitation, some bigger amounts in some isolated areas. So we're kind of just spreading out the moisture here over the last several days. In Flagstaff, of course, yesterday we didn't receive anything. We're going to dry things out here for tomorrow and Thursday, okay, as this storm system begins to exit. Tomorrow, a brief period of high pressure. Wednesday looks to be the warmest and most pleasant day of the extended forecast. We take a look out in the Pacific, active storm track going into the Pacific Northwest, but if you notice this area of rotation just developing out here in the up towards the Gulf of Alaska, this storm system will move in for us and bring us a windy day on Thursday. Still warm temperatures, but increasing wind. And then on Friday, it moves in for us. Pretty strong spring cold front, though. It's not coming in on a very favorable storm track. It's actually going to move into the Pacific Northwest, then move into the Great Basin, and then air into Arizona on Friday. So windy on Thursday, cooler and windy Friday, with precipitation develop, even a little snow in Flagstaff Friday evening into Saturday morning, and then Saturday a rain-snow mix for Flagstaff, and then it looks like it gets into eastern Arizona on Sunday. So an unsettled weather pattern, unsettled kind of cool and showery weather will return Friday and Saturday for us in Flagstaff, and into the Four Corners in eastern Arizona on Sunday is the way it looks right now. All right, currently outside, 53 degrees, partly cloudy skies, little sun breaks over the town, and the peaks in those showers that we saw coming from the north overnight tonight. Look for early morning low of 26 degrees. Skies will gradually clear here as we get into the overnight hours, and I'm forecasting a fairly chilly overnight, and 63 degrees tomorrow for us. Mostly sunny, the warmest day, most pleasant, as I mentioned, of the week. All right, statewide, warm everybody up. 76 in Sedona tomorrow, 72 Payson, 72 Prescott, 72 Payson. And the extended forecast, the wind will increase through the day on Thursday and be downright windy by the time we get into Thursday afternoon. And Friday, that storm system moves in, and I think precipitation develops later in the day. After a windy start to the day, the cold front will move in by Friday late afternoon with a little bit of snow, it looks like, in store for Flagstaff.